But the real party trick is Nissan's Safety Shield 360. This comprehensive suite of safety features is designed to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. This suite of driver assistance features includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. These features work together to provide an extra layer of protection, giving you peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. It's like having a guardian angel riding shotgun, keeping you safe from harm. The system is designed to alert you to potential dangers and even take action if necessary, helping to prevent accidents before they happen. And trust me, on Egyptian roads, that's worth its weight in gold. Navigating through busy streets and unpredictable traffic becomes a breeze with these advanced safety features. The 2024 Altima is not just a car, it's a reliable companion that ensures you reach your destination safely and comfortably. So whether you're driving through the bustling city or cruising on a scenic highway, the Altima has got you covered. Section 5. Design and comfort, style and substance. Let's be honest, looks matter. When you're driving down the road, you want to feel good about what you're behind the wheel of. And the Altima ain't no slouch in the design department. With its sleek lines and bold stance, it commands attention wherever it goes. It's got a sleek, modern look that's sure to turn heads. The aerodynamic design not only looks good but also improves fuel efficiency, making it a smart choice for both city and highway driving. Think of it as a chariot for the 21st century, a vehicle that combines style with substance, offering a driving experience that's both exhilarating and practical. Inside, it's all about comfort. The seats are supportive, there's plenty of legroom, and the materials used are top-notch. Whether you're on a short commute or a long road trip, you'll appreciate the thought that went into the interior design, and the cabin is well insulated from the outside world. The noise-canceling technology ensures that you can enjoy a quiet ride, free from the distractions of the outside world.